you people. I was gonna do a morning routine. I don't know what happened. I don't know what the whole morning got away from me. Guys, you got your lunch bags.
No, we're not using that. We gotta use a bag.
A bag?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't know how to drop. I stay coming out of a black shirt into a black shirt. I got fatter.
Can I get this?
I'm getting fat.
Can I get this for breakfast?
That's what you want for breakfast?
Yeah.
Yes, we have that for breakfast. They're going to the church today because they're gonna I think you guys are gonna practice, right?
Yeah.
So they're going to the church to practice for a Christmas program that they're doing tomorrow, and they can't bring any lunch bags, so they have their lunch in this Ziploc. I hate wasting Ziploc bags like this. So
We're gonna bring them back.
you have to bring them back.
Yeah.
Need to do your hair. Let's go. My husband took off a few days. Well, he got vacation hours, and if he don't use them by the end of the year, he loses it. So he's gonna be off for a few days, and I'm excited to have Daddy home. You excited to have Daddy home?
Yes.
With us?
Yeah.
During the break?
Yep.
Yep, he's gonna be here. And this is why I was telling you guys that I love, hold the camera up a little bit. This is why I was telling you guys that I love this company and why we stayed with them, because my husband only been with them for a few months and he already got vacation. I can't see. He already got vacation hours. So that's a plus. That's a plus. Because usually you have to be with a company for X amount of time before you get vacation hours. So I'm excited to have him home. Yeah, I'm excited to have him with us. Alright guys, get all your stuff. You guys have on deodorant? Yeah. Jason, I tell you to change your shirt into something nice and you change it into another raggedy, washed out shirt. I'm over this, man. I'm over it because you guys always make me look bad. Always. As if you don't have new clothes up in your closet. Why are you walking around with a summer shirt on? I don't get that. You ready? You ready? Look at that guy. He got himself dressed. I don't have to tell him he has to put on long sleeve shirt. Anyways, I'm gonna get out of here. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come get dressed. Come on. Come on. Leah. Come on, get dressed. Now. Go. Go to your room. Yeah, go to your room. See your outfit? Man. It's really pretty. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Yes? Now you just gotta put your sock and your shoe on and we're ready to go. Yeah, your sock and your shoe. Okay, you gonna go look for it? You gotta clean up your room. Yeah. That's not a sock, that's a dress. Give it to me. Give it to me. Good morning, guys. Turn the TV off. Say good morning.
Good morning.
We're getting ready to go to their Christmas program at church. What's the matter, Jackson? You wanted to turn it off. It doesn't matter who turned it off as long as it's off. Can you get a snack for Maddie? A juice and something for her to so they have why is this so washed out? I think here is the better. So they have Christmas program today. Look at Daddy already, Mr. Grumpy Butt. They have Christmas program, so we have to be there at 10:30. I don't even know what time it is. It's 10:01, so we have time. It's like 15 minutes away. It's raining though. It's raining. It's so rainy and foggy outside. But I'm excited for Christmas program for them. Destiny is a star angel. Oh, I forgot, I didn't show you guys that I moved the tree. I did a live, but I did move the tree again for the 15 million times. You have something to eat, mommy? What is it? Okay. Okay, well, fill up her bottle with fountain juice. Fill up her bottle with she has a blue bottle.
Right here.
What are you saying? Come put your jacket on.
Should I put the Cadillac one on or this?
Which one?
Cadillac shirt, jacket or this?
Which one looks better? The Cadillac? Oh, I open it? This is for church. That's for church. It's for church.
Wow, this looks so
Hold
much
it.
better.
Hold it. Hold it out. I'll twist it off. Can you twist this off for her? And then get her another one because she wants... Twist this off for her. So I just wanted to open the vlog and tell you guys good morning. I hope you guys are having an awesome Saturday, and I will see you guys when we get to church.
We won't record. We'll record some of the stuff that's happening, but we can't record all.
Okay, and what she said. I will see you guys there.
Before we do, Al Montero has a word to share about some things he's been experiencing, so I'll sit on the floor for a moment.
Good morning, happy Saturday, everybody.
Angels are preparing for another celebration. Just as Jesus came the first time, he's coming again. He will restore Eden, that lovely garden of so long ago, and will make all things new. He's coming back for you. He wants you to be ready. He wants to forgive your sins and receive you unto himself, that where he is, there you too may be also.
So we're sitting in Ford waiting for the truck again because the other Ford couldn't find what was wrong with it. So we're sitting at a different Ford waiting, but babe wanted to drop me off at the mall with 5 kids by myself. I'm like, no, I'd rather sit in the waiting area at Ford and wait. I gotta go, my badge dying. Is it good? Yeah.
I'm half finished.
You're half finished? Oh, stop it. Maddie is deadly afraid of the changing table. She is so afraid of it. Oh my word. You okay? You okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Ready to go? Okay, so we're out of Ford and they changed our oil for free.
That was record breaking.
Yes, it was really fast. It was really fast. They changed our oil for free and we got a tire rotation. At the other Ford up our way, we had to pay for oil change and to get our tires and stuff. Well, they didn't rotate our tires the first time we went. They didn't do all of that. And they set the air in my tires all back down because one was reading 40 and the other ones were at 50 while I was driving. So they set it all back down to what they need to be. And we are on our way home, which is a little bit of commute considering there's traffic everywhere. He wanted to drop me off at the mall to go hang out with 5 kids. Like, no, not doing it. But they were fast. They were fast.
Jordan's in here?
Yeah, Jordan is in here.
So Jordan, what time do you get down?
Oh gosh, I gotta go because he's over here questioning the boy about what time he poops. Hold the door for her. Go, mommy. Go. Turn on the light.
Turns on the lights. Turns on the lights.
Thank you. We are finally home after how many hours? And we're hungry. We are hungry. It was a little ride home. The kitchen, I need to do the dishes. And I'm hungry. Anyways, guys, there's nothing else. Oh, I forgot I didn't show you guys the tree. Let me show you guys the tree before my battery dies. Did you need to go out? So, this is the tree. Where is that? Hi, handsome. Take my shoe off.
Take my shoe off.
Take the other one off. Oh, there you go. Hi, pretty girl. Sit and take your boots off. Take your boots off.
She doesn't.
Anyways, guys, I will see you guys tomorrow.